This is Math 6, Topic 5, Lesson 9 review answers. In this one, they say that you can use a ratio table or a unit rate to solve problems involving ratios or rates. So again, multiplying or dividing by the same thing each time will help you come up with your answer. So let's check this out. Doug has 5 hours to make an on-time delivery 273 miles away. Doug drives at a constant speed of 55 miles per hour. There's your unit rate. 55 miles in 1 hour. Oops, why do I keep doing that? H-O-U-R. There we go. Okay, so what we definitely know is he has 5 hours. So what if we check to see where he would be in 5 hours? So if we multiply this by 5 and multiply that by 5, what we know is that in 5 hours, he will be wherever 55 times 5 is. Let's check. 55 times 5 is 275 miles. He only had to travel 273 miles. So will Doug make the delivery by the deadline? Yes, he will. Because he's actually further in 5 hours than he needed to be. The second one, Marie. Let's check out Marie. Marie has 8 hours to write a 45-page chapter for her book. Marie writes at a constant speed of 4 pages per hour. There's our rate. 4 pages per hour. Will she complete the chapter in time? Again, I mean, you could figure out how many hours it would take her to write 45 pages if you wanted to, but I think it is much easier, a heck of a lot easier, to figure out how many pages she could actually write in 8 hours. So I'll multiply this by 8 also, and 4 times 8 is 32. So in 8 hours, she will be able to write 32 pages, which is less than she needs. Will Marie complete the chapter in time? Nope. She's going to be 13 pages short, which is pretty significant. So that's lesson 5-7 review.